Welcome back, Feg Army. Happy New Year's. Today we're going to be talking about some price predictions. Of course, get up to date with the latest and greatest coming from Feg Token. But how are we going to start this year, 2024, off with the Feg team, with the Feg community, and these Feg prices? We have been knocking it out the park. I am very ready for this new year as far as Feg token, Smart DeFi Launchpad, and everything that's to come. Take advantage of the link that I have down below. I'm growing something special. It's called the Moneybags Mansion. You guys do not want to miss out on that. There's a link down below. There's also a link for BYDFi, where Feg token was trending and still one of the hot tokens on BYDFi. With the prices that were changing and stuff. But let's get into the latest and greatest from the Feg community, from the Feg team. Make sure you guys give Feg a follow at Feg Token. This is on the X page. Make sure the bell notification is lit. Let's get up to date. We'll do some price predictions, some technical analysis, because I do believe that Feg Token any minute, any day could erase a zero. I'm not even going to sleep without my moon boots on. Maybe you guys should do the same, but this is not financial advice. So do your own due diligence and your own research. So to all the amazing community, to all our amazing community, as we close 2023, let's celebrate the incredible journey so far. Look forward to a new year of innovation, resilience, growth, and one of the collaborations on the Feg project. Growth and one of the collaborations on the Feg project. So this is something interesting right here. We're going to keep a close eye on this. We wish everyone all around the world a happy new year from the rock star himself, Feg Rocks. You guys know what's going on. The developers and the team at Feg. Big shout out to everybody. Happy New Year's. This is the community that we're talking about right here. Big shout out to everybody. Big shout out to Feg Token from Persia, because I've been getting my videos translated in Persian. Big shout out to Iran. Big shout out to the whole Middle East, because something happened with my my YouTube videos as far as Feg Token. Feg Token is really pushing these. YouTube is really pushing out the Feg videos. So there's people translating these videos in every language. In Portuguese is another one. In French is another one. So this is very exciting for me as well. Let's make sure we like and retweet everything going on. We got Good Morning Geckos, because we have been trending on CoinGecko. So 2024 is here. The Smart DeFi Token Launchpad is only weeks away. So we got some alpha right there, only weeks away, as the potential to be the #1 platform in the space. So right here, Feg Token is saying something to us. Only weeks away. This is something I'm very, very bullish on. I've been growing the Moneybags Mansion for a reason. Make sure you guys can read in between the lines and tap in right there. Big shout out to RTR Crypto. Let's see what we got as we step into 2024, embarking on the third year of our incredible journey with Feg Token. I feel it's important to pause and express my deepest gratitude to the team members and community support who has poured their time. Let's see where we're at. Supporters who has poured their time and heart into this project. Thank you. Your dedication and belief in what we're building together means everything. That is huge. Big shout out to RTR Crypto, always holding it down for us in any AMA, wherever he goes, always talking positive and really knows what's going on with the Smart DeFi tech that's about to come out really, really soon. So 2024 isn't just another year. It's the dawn of a new era for Feg Token. Sounds powerful right there. Big shout out to RTR Crypto. This is really big. We're beginning with our Smart DeFi Token Launchpad, which I think is very bullish. I think it was one of the best utilities. I've seen some people, it's crazy, the prices could jump up and see us doing really good. And we're talking about Smart DeFi Launchpad coming out, and somebody said, when the graphene wallet? It's like, dude, well, let's do one thing at a time. This is where it's at. There's a million wallets out there right now. There's not really that many launch pads that has the type of tokenomics, the type of structure that we have as far as Smart DeFi. And this is going to bring, I believe, the most exposure to Feg Token's ecosystem. And with the pump that we just felt, we felt what that contract can really do. That same contract is going to be the contracts that people are going to be using when they launch their token on the Smart DeFi Launchpad that's audited by PegShield. And we got to see what the staking can do. We got to see what that Smart DeFi audited contract potential it has backed up right behind it. So let's carry on, and then we're gonna get to these prices, and of course we're gonna like and retweet this as well. Let's just do that right now. So 2024 is not just another year; it's the dawn of a new era for Feg Token. We're beginning with our Smart DeFi Token Launchpad, a true labor of love and innovation. It's crafted to not only elevate Feg Token, but also to open doors of opportunity for every project that springs from our collective vision. Here's to a new year filled with growth, breakthroughs, and shared success. This is something I believe that's going to happen. If you want to share some success, if you want to change the way that you have been doing things, if you're tired of the last 6 years and you want these next 6 years to be something different, join that Moneybags Mansion or else. That's all I'm going to say. Big shout out to Steve Chow. We got, after an epic ending last year for FEG, what will quarter 1 in 2024 bring FEG token? Let me know down in the comments. What do you think the first quarter is going to bring? Obviously, we've seen the team talking about weeks away, the launch pad. Maybe let me know as far as prices. Do you think that we're going to be deleting a zero? I think we might even be doing that before that quarter 21 is even over. But we got public testing, marketing campaign, smart DeFi launchpad, SD launches, and pre-sales. Use the links down below. FEG token volume and price boost from SD pre-sales. That's going to help us tremendously. If you have not watched the how to buy video, watch that. And then next, do yourself a favor and watch the how to stake video. Let me know down in the comments below just that taste of that volume. Did your staking go up? I know mine did. FEG token staking boost from SD projects enabling staking plus much more. We got crazy staking rewards from that little pump, that volume, $500,000 in volume on ETH and BNB. But just imagine when all the projects are doing the same thing and some of those projects having $1 million in volume. That staking is going to get crazy. Make sure you guys are staked up. Make sure you guys are following at FEG token. For as far as the X page, make sure you guys are giving me a follow at Rico Moneybags. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel that where you guys heard it first, never shook from FEG token side. We're going to keep climbing, keep growing, and make sure that you guys tap into the Moneybags Mansion down below. I got the link for BYD5. This is my promo code if you want to help support the channel. Go ahead and use that link. But let's get to these prices. This is what it's looking like. It's looking wild. It's looking like we're having fun. It's looking like it's back, baby. That's what it's looking like. Let's just be honest. Let's get some support and resistance going. Get some ideas. We can see that this is that area that we kind of came down to, this give or take right here from that first pump. We'll put this right here. Even though we did not come down to that section, this is basically what's going on. This resistance has become a support, and it has to do that. Otherwise, we don't never know where it's going to stop going up or where it's going to stop coming down to. So this is the support that we have. Let's get the famous arrows. Hold on to this support right here. And we're pumping up. That is above 5.4. So that is 3 zeros, 5.4. Now we're back at 6.8. We ran all the way up into the sevens. I think even 8.2 on the exchange, on the BYD exchange. So like I said, there are some arbitrage opportunities. I have not seen no comments, people asking about arbitrage. So I'm just waiting till those arbitrage community members fill up. There are a lot of new subscribers, so who knows? Maybe they're here now. But let's go ahead and get this all marked up where we're at right now. So as we can see, our next zone is going to be the 7.0 mark. We're already above the 6.4, which is that 6.5 zone basically. So 6, 6.5, 7. We're already above that 6.5 zone on the BNB side. We're going to check out the ETH side in just a bit. But on DeFi, as far as our amazing UI that we get to use right now, fegx.com, make sure you guys use the links down below. And I'll have the contract address attached to that. We also have the ETH side. Almost lost my train of thought, but we're seeing the prices recover from that. Let's zoom out on this. Okay. Let's mark this one up really quick, just since we took a look at it and my internal dialogue told me to do so. So let's go ahead and rock with that. This is where we're at on the ETH side. These are the channels that we'll be looking at. Right there. Okay, let's go back to the BNB, finish what we're doing there, and then we'll jump over there, all right? So this is where we're at. These are the prices that we have right now. We're going to be getting above that 7.0, so the halfway mark, getting above. We did get to 8.2 on BYD5, so keep that in mind. We almost got close to erasing a zero. That's another reason why the videos have just shot up, because when I look at my algorithm and I look at my analytics, it's saying that YouTube searches are through the roof for FEG token. So if you guys want them to keep pushing these videos out, I need you guys to leave some bullish comments down below. FEG token to delete a zero is right around the corner. We're gonna delete a zero. Best believe we're going to delete a zero. This is a $1 billion project. We're sitting at 34 million right now. And it's crazy to see how much gains we're getting just from this small fluctuation. I can't wait to see us get back to that $1 billion. We're en route to that $100 million zone. And we are going to do that. We are going to delete a zero. And then we'll chase that penny mark next. Okay. So right now on the DeFi side, we're going to be fighting to get above 7.6. That's to break above that 8 So 3 zeros, 8, and then erasing a 0. We're right around there. Don't wait till we erase a 0 to say or start fudding or talking, oh, waiting for pullback or waiting for this. Pullback already happened. The time is now. It's our time to shine. Connect the dots. Read in between the lines. It's right now. It's happening right before our eyes. I need you guys not to miss out and understand the true potential of FEG token right now. So on the ETH side of things, and my bad for tapping the mic. I'm sure it'll probably pick that up. On the ETH side of things, we're looking at, we held above 44. We're holding above the 55. Again, that psychological barrier halfway before we erase the 0. A lot of opportunity for arbitrage. Those who want to know, let me know down in the comments below, that you want to know about arbitrage. But we're marching up to the zone. And our next area that we'll want to pay attention to is right here, 6235, okay? But we are on our way to erase the 0. I believe, especially when the Smart DeFi Launchpad goes live, we will be seeing the 0 being deleted. I believe that'll happen before the Smart DeFi Launchpad goes live because the FOMO is real. It's active. It's ready. People are searching FEG token. We're trending on CoinGecko. We're trending on, BYDFi. We're trending on DEXs. We're trending on you name it, and we're there making a noise. It's our time. So I'm going to ask you guys, share this video on all social media platforms. Get the word out there and about, and continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.